From a distance, it looks like a beautiful, deep turquoise lake nestled in the mountains of Butte, Montana. But don't let the color fool you. If you were to take a swim in these waters, the high acidity would start irritating your skin and eyes almost instantly. This is the Berkeley Pit. Once the richest hill on Earth for copper mining, it is now one of the largest and deadliest Superfund sites in America. It's a mile long, half a mile wide, and over 1,700 feet deep, filled with billions of gallons of toxic soup.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurious, where curiosity meets science.
How did a thriving mine turn into a lethal lake? And why is the water inside it actually valuable to modern medicine? Let's dive into the chemistry of a man-made disaster. For nearly 30 years, the Berkeley Pit was an open-pit copper mine. To keep the deep tunnels dry, massive pumps ran 24/7, pulling out millions of gallons of groundwater. But on Earth Day in 1982, the pumps were switched off, the mining company moved on, and the water began to reclaim the pit. But this wasn't fresh mountain water. As the water level rose, it hit the exposed rock walls, rich in pyrite, also known as fool's gold. When pyrite, water, and oxygen meet, a chemical reaction occurs that creates sulfuric acid. The pit didn't just fill with water, it turned into a giant vat of acid that started dissolving the surrounding heavy metals like copper, arsenic, cadmium, and zinc. The result is a liquid nightmare with a pH level of 2.5. To give you an idea of how acidic that is, it's roughly the same as lemon juice or stomach acid. The water is so saturated with metals that it's actually a deep blood-red color near the bottom, though it appears a deceptive blue-green on the surface. The world realized just how dangerous this lake was in 1995, when a flock of over 300 snow geese landed on the water to rest during a storm. The next morning, they were all dead. The combination of the acid and the heavy metals had literally eaten away at their soft tissues and poisoned them from the inside out. But here is where the story gets weird. You'd think a lake of acid and arsenic would be completely dead, right? Wrong. In the mid-90s, scientists discovered that the Berkeley Pit is actually teeming with life, specifically extremophiles. A husband and wife research team, the Steers, discovered unique species of fungi and bacteria living in the toxic sludge. These pit bugs have adapted so well that they produce specialized chemicals to survive. When tested in a lab, some of these compounds were found to be effective at killing cancer cells and fighting antibiotic-resistant superbugs. Today, the Berkeley Pit is a massive management project. If the water level rises too high, it could contaminate the local aquifer, poisoning the drinking water for the entire city of Butte. A multi-million-dollar water treatment plant now works around the clock to clean the water and pump it away, keeping the lake at a safe level. It's a permanent scar on the landscape, a reminder of what happens when we take from the earth without a plan for the aftermath. Yet, in a strange twist of irony, the very toxicity we created might one day provide the cure for some of our most devastating diseases. The Berkeley Pit is a place where industrial history and extreme chemistry collide. It's beautiful, terrifying, and full of hidden potential. If you were offered a tour of the water treatment plant, would you want to see the toxic turquoise water up close, or is this a place best viewed from a very safe distance? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to react to the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of our world. Stay curious.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.